Microsoft Surface 4, the laptop of the future. The Surface 4 Laptop 3 was indeed a particularly unique machine because Microsoft decided to add an AMD processor, but with its intelligent improvements and advancement to use Surface Laptop 4, the company has outdated and upstaged itself. While relying on key characteristics and design elements, the Surface Laptop 4 is a virtually perfect laptop and said to be the laptop of the future, and a serious concurrent when it comes to selecting the next machine. After watching today's video regarding this laptop, you will be surprised that the new Surface Laptop 4 is more evolving than a revolution in Microsoft's new Surface Laptop, which is well known for packaging components in much the same slim, lightweight chassis. Microsoft did not try to sell this laptop as anything else, but promised that this newest Surface Laptop will last longer than its predecessors and will pick up more power under the hood. While the Microsoft Surface Laptop 4 is without probably the greatest Surface Laptop ever, it is a little difficult to answer the questions whether it is the best laptop. See our full review of Surface Laptop 4 that hopefully should help you find a solution to this question. So stick with us until the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon button to be notified of new videos. Let's get started. Number 1. Price and release date. The new Surface Laptop 4 ordered by Microsoft will cost you at least $969 for a 13.5-inch model, as well as $1,299 for a 15-inch version, available from April 15th in the US and April 27th in the UK. The input models are provided with AMD Ryzen 5 and 7 series, 4000, RAM 800 and SSD with 256 GB standard. Number 2. Design. I've seen Microsoft try to radically change with the Surface laptops, designs and layouts, but now you will have to look in there for new things. I would like to see Microsoft trying to make some changes to the laptop surface. That said, the sleek, clean lines of the Surface devices I have always enjoyed and loved, and the new Surface Laptop 4 offers the more. The size is similar to the Laptop 3 with a size of only 12.1 multiplied by 8.8 multiplied by 0.6 inches. The laptop weighs around 2.8 pounds. This does not give us the Surface Laptop 4 the size of the M1. 12.8.4 into 0.6 inches is equal to 2.8 pounds. This is the first time that Microsoft has provided a Surface laptop with the ice blue color scheme, previously displayed on Microsoft Surface Pro tablets. It is also subtle that it's difficult for me if we don't put it next to a host of the other silver and gray laptops. So the Surface Laptop 4 clearly stands out from the crowd. It's eye-catching but less gritty than many manufactured logos on contemporary laptops, and so does the reflective logo from Microsoft. Number 3. Microsoft Surface Laptop 4 ports. On a Microsoft Surface Laptop 4, port selection and availability is pretty simple and good and bad as well. On the top left side, you find a USB-A port, USB-C and a headphone jack. The right side carries a Surface connector for charging purposes. It's pleasant to see an iconic USB-A on the modern machine such as this one, and when it comes to the external devices, this laptop gives this laptop a good deal of flexibility. But Thunderbolt 4 is not supported by the USB-C port, a bummer to invest in heavy-duty external accessories such as GPUs or high-capacity drives. And while some of me like sleek, easy chassis with many funky throats in it, I like it when a laptop manufacturer works with a small SD card reader or a stylus cubby on the sides. Number 4. Keyboard and touchpad. Microsoft Surface laptop typing felt more secure and comfortable than most laptops, thanks mainly to the sized keys as well as the Alcantara keyboard material. The keys are happy to type them on, and with a travel of 1.3 mm and a pleasant click on them, helping users stop tapping fast. The 4.5 multiplied by 3 inches glass tap pad below the keys are also great to use. The keyboard is conveniently nearby, and my big stupid sausages fingers still provide plenty of room for moving, but the touch screen and the laptop felt not very responsive towards its touch, and users don't have trouble using any surface gesture control. Performance. If your job doesn't involve playing Cyberpunk 2077, Microsoft Surface Laptop 4 can do a lot of everything you want to do on the average working day. The 16GB of RAM and 11th generation Intel i7 CPU from our review until have given it enough space to handle so many basic tasks as users could handle, including 20 plus tabs on 4 Chrome windows that user can view 2 4K YouTube videos. If you're trying to modify and edit a video on Surface Laptop 4, that will take the task away from the fastest laptops on the block, especially when you are equipped with 16GB RAM. In our man break video editing test, our review unit took approximately 17 minutes for the video 4K to 1080p. The 15-inch Intel equipped Surface Laptop 3 needed the same last, which is faster than the 15th minute and 18 seconds. It is also a little better than Dell XPS 13, which took about 18 minutes. But of course, it's not enough for the M1 equipped model MacBook Air of Apple, which took 9 minutes and 50 seconds. Number 6. Battery life. Battery life is one of the major things for selling this newest Surface laptop, and with good reason, because its predecessors have impressive designs and stunning screens. However, when it comes to how long they last with a single charge, they are often fell short of competition. The Surface Laptop 4 equipped with AMD could last up to 19 hours for charging this time around Microsoft, while the Intel variant that we reviewed is reported up to 17 hours. Truly wish to believe, dear. The Surface Laptop 4 is a lovely machine. It really lasts a long time and for just one charge, and I have been able to plug and spend 9 hours writing and editing in interim during music listening, video watches, and never worried that the battery is going to be spread on me. Heat. Our Surface Laptop 4 review unit seldom got warm during this review, no matter how many tabs we have opened or how many videos we are attempted to stream. When I tried to play a graphically challenging games like IO Interactive's Hitman 2, the only time I got heated enough to cause discomfort was when the game in 2018 pushed the laptop hard, and when it stuttered 50-40 frames per second, I felt that the bottom of my laptop became noticeable warm. During our heat tests, which entailed streaming 50 minutes of HD video, our heat gun discovered that the desirable reaches an average temperature of 90 degrees, peaking at 92.5 near the center, roughly straight down from where the F5 key sits. The laptop deck was much cooler than measured on the touchpad, only by 80 degrees. Number 8. Verdict. The Surface Laptop 4 improves in so many aspects on the Surface Laptop 3, offering Windows enthusiasts an ultra-portable, bloat-free system that has premium components packed inside a lovely lightweight chassis. Although I would like to see Microsoft try to change the Surface Laptop formula a bit more, and excellent speakers, better battery life, and upgradable, the underhood makes the Surface Laptop 4 the most important contenders on the market. That's all about today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. We will be back with more videos.